Hey my loves, welcome to our Wednesday vlog. Hope you guys had a good week. Thank you so much for people who subscribed. Thank you so much for people who commented. Our little corner is growing. It's not as little. There's 28 of us, I think, in our little corner. It's like I think we're like a little room now. Anyway, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys had a good week. Yeah, so this week I'm actually vlogging from the future. This vlog was a few weeks back where we did a little bit of weekly shopping. I think we'll do a proper shop vlog one of these days, because I'd love to know what you guys do in terms of shopping and your planning and stuff like that, but we'll talk about that later. So anyway, we had our weekly shopping, and we were also shopping for the birthday boy. My son was turning 8. Yeah. Yeah, so we had a birthday party that we were planning, so we were kind of doing shopping for that. So our vlog is just shopping, but you get to see a slice of me and EJ in action. It's a bit of a crazy one, but I hope you guys enjoy, and I really hope you guys have a good week ahead. Let's not forget to listen to your inner voice. Let's not forget to listen to what God is saying to you. I saw this, actually it was Mpumi. I don't know if you guys know her, from Wisdom and Wellness. She has got these Sunday nuggets, this newsletter. So this lady wrote that just do the work, and it really touched me. It's still like, yeah. She says, she explains a lot. It's a very short newsletter, but it's beautifully written. But the bottom line is, she's saying, you don't know what's going to happen in the future, but for now, just do the work. Just do the work. So basically, she had fallen ill, but she said to the doctor, to her GP, no, but I gym, I do this, I take care of myself. Then the doctor's just like, if you hadn't done that, you would have probably been dead. So her take home was, just do the work for whatever the future holds. So I'm just extending that same word to you guys this week. Let's just do the work. You know, when God is giving us a word or a command, let's just do it. You don't know what's in store. Let's just do the practice. Let's just do the work, do the hard work, do the foundation, and then we'll see what the house looks like. You know, let's do the groundwork in preparation for whatever is going to come in the future. You know, let's take care of ourselves the way we need to for our health. Let's do what is in your heart. Just do the work, whatever you know what the work you need to do. Just do the work. But anyway, you know what you need to do. No matter how cringe it is, like, I'm vlogging. I never thought I'd be doing this, but I believe I'm doing the work. Just do the work. Whatever you're preparing for, whatever it is that you're practicing for, just do the work. Like Usain Bolt says, I think he practiced like thousands of hours and days, and what only for 9 seconds. So anyway, my take home for this week for you is, guys, let's just do the work. Whatever God has put and instilled in you, let's just learn to do the work. Let's just learn to push through and obey. Listen, obey, and do the work. Yeah. Anywho, that's it from me. That's it from us, actually. I'm sorry, I forgot you were here. We're learning how to crawl, so he's on the floor a lot lately. So yeah. Also, I did school run today. Guys, it's cold. 2 degrees today. Me and my two, like, yeah, EJ's going, but me and Maurice, we don't normally do school run. We just do the preparations, and then husband does school run. Yo, this week it's us. 2 degrees. Manawani. Guys, No, I'm not a fan of cold. Funny enough, I'll get used to it. In a few weeks, I'll be like, oh, it's just 2 degrees. But no, not now. These initial from 10 to 6 to 2. Anyway, I needed to vent because there was no one to vent to. 2 degrees. Apparently it was snowing elsewhere. Apologies if it was where you were was colder, but we went through 2 degrees today. Wasn't happy, but anyway, we got there in time. We got to school in time. Yay. We probably will do school run again for the rest of the week. Your husband, please. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to vent about the school run thing. It's the pits, but it has to be done. And then collecting him, it's a bit warmer then. But anywho, yeah, do tell me what you guys would like us to talk about on the channel. Oh, my battery's going low. What you guys want us to talk about? Anything interesting? Yeah. Anywho, guys, enjoy the vlog. 10 minutes of me and my son doing our thing. And yeah. Bye. Anyway, hello, people of the internet. I'm with my +1 today. +1, say hi.
Hi.
So, it's terrible lighting. But anyway, we move. We are going to do Saturday.
And it's now my birthday.
We're going to do weekly shopping.
What's weekly?
Weekly shopping is when you shop weekly, my love.
Oh.
Aren't it?
Yeah.
Saka, we're going to go and do our shopping. And a bit of what's his name? Birthday boys.
Birthday boy.
Birthday boys.
Wait, what do you mean birthday boys?
Birthday boys shopping for
birthday boy. Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah. No.
Yeah. Anyway, the lighting is bad in here. We're gonna do. Where are you? Oh, there we go. Birthday boys shopping. Where are you, birthday boy?
I'm here.
I can't see you. The light is only here. Oh, I can't. Oh, you got the seat. Oh, sorry, shame. You're in the seat belt. Sorry. So anyway, we're doing birthday boys shopping,
Mom,
and we're gonna get home.
I'm here.
Oh, where are you? I still can't see you. Sorry. We'll see you in little.
I'm here. I'm in the middle.
Shame, sorry.
I don't like these lighting.
Shame, sorry. Yeah, we have to improve that. Anyway, shopping. We've got a very tight timeline situation because citizen number 2 is asleep. So if citizen number 2 is asleep, the moment he wakes up, he cries for one person and one person alone. Saka nasta but to asire baba. I don't know what to say. I don't even. You know when you don't drive a car and you don't really remember what to do. There we go. Right.
Waiting for pairing.
No, we're not pairing, my love. We're not pairing. Okay, so we'll see you inside the shop and come with us, please.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
But if he didn't learn driver's license,
No, he has to have a driver's license. Okay, he's driving a bus. A whole bus.
What if
You can't drive without a license, my guy.
Huh?
You can't drive without a license. What am I doing? No music today. We're okay.
But do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, darling, I do.
Wait, so that gives
As
you...
surprising as it may be, I do have a license.
What do you... Mom, did that give you the driver's license?
No, you go to school to drive. Come on.
So you went to school to drive?
Yeah. This guy. Bicycle people. You go to school to drive?
Yes.
And
One eternity later.
Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is my mom.
Hi, I'm Mom.
Let's go.
You just gone missing again.
I'm going to the full aisle.
Okay, choose 2 fruit shoots, yeah? Which one?
The grape.
That one. The grape or the... What's
The grape.
that? Both grape. Not for you, guys, for the party.
The grape.
2 grapes. Not 1 grape, one orange.
The grapes.
Oh, it's your part. How many are these anyway? Because it's only like 4 kids. 15. Ah, no, I'm taking 1 each.
Why?
Because I'm gonna put what's this? I'm here.
Even did it with 1 finger.
Just 1 finger.
I know, crazy.
Oh, where are the cans?
Ah, this one.
We are now going to the next store. No call yet from Dad. I think that's a good thing. It means baby's sleeping. Yeah, my +1.
What do you mean? Video time!
Okay, cool. So, right. Next stop. Oh, from here. So on our way to the shops, or to the other shop, we saw fireworks. We actually forgot that it was bonfire night. It happens every year. Amazing fireworks everywhere. We forgot that it was that Saturday. I think we were so fixated on the birthday. So anyway, we were so fortunate enough to have had like a glimpse of the fireworks in our area. Ah, guys, they were beautiful. They were just lovely, lovely, lovely. Unfortunately, there were so many trees around, but yeah, we got a little bit of it, and yeah, it was nice. It really was nice. And this is us doing our shopping. We didn't buy a lot of things. It was just like, the paper plates, the stuff to prepare for the party, because we'd already bought the decor. I bought the decor from Shein. I mean, I think everyone does that. I bought the decor from Shein, and then we're just moving around seeing what we needed. I had a list, but me being me, I wasn't 100% certain on what I really wanted the party to look like and to be. So yeah, there will be a part 2 of the birthday preparations and the birthday cake, and yeah, hope you come next week Wednesday. Come along, see us. Chaos, birthday cake, birthday, hopefully birthday will be in that vlog. And but anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy your week. May God bless you. Like we said before, let's just do the work this week. It may be cringe, people might laugh, people might talk behind your back, but you know you're doing what you've been assigned to do. Let's just do the work, guys. Anywho, mad love. We need to find a sign out term. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. My number 2 and I here are very grateful for you spending your time with us. And yeah, thank you, Maitabasa. Have a good week and God bless. Bye.